What's the deal, guys? It's Catch the Shooter, and I'm back with another video. First off, man, I hope everybody is feeling good. I hope you ate today. I hope your mental health is in check. I hope you went to the gym. Just all around feeling good, man. It's important for us to love ourselves, man. If we're gonna be creative, we have to be creative in loving ourselves in many different ways, man. So I ain't gonna get too deep, man, but let's jump right into it, man. I got a dope plug-in for y'all today. It's a social media pop tag, man. Whether you're calling out your business, calling out someone's social, this is dope for all of that, man. So we're gonna jump right over into the computer. I have one put together, man. It's a dope video I put out on my setup, man. If you haven't checked it out, check it out here on the channel. So you'll see it pop up. Man, it's Catch the Shooter, and I'm back with another video, man. This one, and you'll see it fade away. So like I say, man, this is a dope plug-in, man. If I gave this to 3 different artists, man, each one of them will come back with a very different design, man. So I'm assuming that you already have it installed and everything. So I'm gonna just show you a little bit of the stuff that you can do with it. Like I said, I can sit here for hours and mess with this, but man, show me what you come up with, man. This is how it comes. So once you drag it onto your timeline, let me extend it a little bit. Once you drag it onto your timeline, it'll look just like this. This is the plain bare bones. This is the one I designed real quick, just a little, throw it on. And this is how it comes. Let's start with the drop zone. So if you want to add like someone's picture there or a business logo, whatever, come down to the drop zone, click the arrow on the drop zone, click the picture that you want to add, click apply clip, and then from there you tweak it, man, and make it look how you want it to look. So let's zoom it out a little bit. Let's go zoom out, quickly zoom out. Also, let's change the name here. All right, come up here, change the name. Go Catch the Shooter. I'll follow your boy on Instagram, man. I like to post workouts and just different kind of motivational stuff. Catch the Shooter. Let's change the font. So you can change the font. Me personally, I don't like the heart right there, so I always come down and find the heart position. The only bad thing about this program is that it gives you too much control. So let's find the heart. Take that opacity to 0. Move this over. I also don't like the follow me sign. The follow me banner. Sorry about that. Oh, not that banner. So you can change that banner as well. Let's go ahead and change that banner while we're here. Let's go with red and black. Like I said, I'm not doing the detailed version of this at all. So now let's find the follow me banner. Here it's labeled as banner. Bring that up. You can change that banner height. Follow me. Where art thou? There it is. Just a quick tip to help you navigate this all these controls over here that they give you. Look for the color. So the box color of the follow me is here. Say we wanted to change that to cyan or green, which I hate, but like I said, I like to turn that box completely off. I like to also delete the follow me, and then something else is cool. You can click the Instagram mode here, click classic mode. It changes the color of it. But also you can just delete that totally. Like I said, if you want to use this for a business or something of that sort, you can use it for that. Yeah, man, the possibilities are endless with this. The possibilities are really endless. Like whatever you can come up with, whatever you can imagine, you can do. And like I said, it would take a long time, man, if you were keyframing this, or if you were trying to do this manually, man. It would just take a very long time, man. So I think this is a dope plugin to have in your arsenal if you need to call someone out. I like to do it based off of what they're wearing, or just make it fit the scene. Anything like that just makes it more custom and makes it more in the moment. So yeah, man, this is a gift from me to you, man. Download this. If you don't have Final Cut Pro, let me know in the comments down below. I'll send it over for whatever program you need so that you can use it. You can use it on Instagram, you can use it on TikTok, you can use it wherever you want to use it, man. Use it for whatever you want to use it for. So I appreciate the small amount of views that I've been getting on these videos and everybody checking me out and engaging with the videos, man. I have a lot more to come. So I hope you enjoy the content. I'm thinking of doing more so day in the life type energy vlogs type stuff coming next, but I'm not too sure on that. I don't know if people will be into actually seeing what I'm doing, because most of the time I'm on the computer. I trade a lot, so if you're interested in finding out the ways I trade, comment below, man. I'll make videos about that as well. But in the meantime, it's Catch the Shooter signing out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.